help around the house. Yeah, I had to switch out the dishwasher, so we got this old one, this plastic tub. We're gonna try to cut it up with the Rockwell F65. The idea is to make this fit into the garbage can because they want 25 bucks to haul it away. So we'll cut it up in little pieces and throw it away in our regular garbage. So let's get prepared here. All right, get the video equipment going where we want it. We'll start off with this corner right here, okay? All right, we're gonna start off with this corner. All right, we're gonna start off right here with this little corner. Let's turn around. See if we can pull this little piece back. I don't know if I got it all the way. Oh, well, I guess I did get it all the way, didn't I? Look at that. That is going to work nice. Look at that. Cuts out a perfect chunk. And it won't take very long to cut this up and get it all in there. A little bit cheaper way to do it. I'm on board with that. And again, that's the little Rockwell F65. I'll see if I can put a link down there to Amazon and let you take off your safety glasses. So you guys can purchase. This is a heck of a tool. I've used it for drywall. I've used it for everything. It works really well. You can get diamond blades for it. So if you want to, I guess that's a blade, right? Oh, well, diamond attachment, whatever you want to call it. Here, I'll show you. See this right here? I've got all of them in here. So here's the diamond blade. I was using this for tile. But yeah, worked out great. Hap around the house. If you liked the video, consider subscribing. Hit the like button. Check out the Amazon affiliates, and that really helps out the channel. So hap around the house. If you liked the video, let me take this thing off. All right, let me take my mask off. Hap around the house. If you liked the video, consider subscribing to the channel. Hit the like button. Consider using our Amazon affiliates. Help support the channel. Yeah, you can cut up a dishwasher pretty doggone quick with one of those Rockwells. Thanks for watching.